A very good day to everyone. We are from class group 7 and we will be talking about sulfuric acid in the pulp and paper industry.
Sulphuric acid is one of the most important chemicals used in our daily life. Sulphuric acid plays a crucial role in various industries and chemical processes, making it one of the most important and versatile chemicals in the world. It is used to make detergent, dyes, fertilizers, plastic, and many other products. Although sulfuric acid serves many purposes, it also contributes to environmental pollution. For example, the current environmental concerns related to sulfuric acid production often involve emissions of sulfur dioxide, which is a major air pollutant. The release of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides into the atmosphere are incorporated into clouds or directly into precipitation such as rain, snow, or fog. Apart from that, acid rain is also a bad effect of sulfur dioxide. However, regulations and measurements have already been taken into account, such as the cap and trade programs, where a cap is set on the total amount of sulfur dioxide emissions allowed. Therefore, the sulfur dioxide being emitted during the production of the sulfuric acid can be controlled and thus will reduce the level of sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere.
Do you know how it is made? Here's how. Sulfuric acid is made through a three-stage process called the contact process. In stage 1, sulfur is obtained in its elemental form in a solid, then it is melted down into a liquid and combusted with oxygen in a furnace. Sulfur that reacts with oxygen will form sulfur dioxide in the form of gas. In stage 2, sulfur dioxide needs to be converted into sulfur trioxide, and this reaction occurs in the oxidation chamber. To produce sulfur trioxide, the clean dried gaseous mixture of sulfur dioxide and the air is passed through a tower loosely packed with vanadium pentoxide or platinum, which acts as a catalyst. Here, the mixture of sulfur dioxide and oxygen is preheated to 450 degrees Celsius to ensure a higher rate of reaction to form sulfur trioxide. In stage 3, sulfur trioxide gas passes through a ceramic-filled absorption tower where the gas will be absorbed by concentrated sulfuric acid to form alum in the form of liquid. Alum is then diluted with water to form the desired sulfuric acid as the final product. Nonetheless, sulfuric acid is crucial in the pulp and paper industry, particularly in chlorine dioxide generation, pH adjustment and sizing and coating of paper. Despite its importance, the industry prioritizes sustainability, seeking eco-friendly alternatives and minimizing environmental impact. Firstly, chlorine dioxide that is created by mixing sodium chlorate, sulfuric acid, and methanol through the solving process is used as a bleaching chemical to produce paper with high brightness. Did you know that the pulp and paper industry uses chlorine dioxide to make stronger and wider paper? Chlorine dioxide is really cool because it can target the parts of wood called phenolic groups that we don't need for paper, but it leaves the cellulose fibers that we use to make paper alone. This means we get more paper and high quality ones too. Furthermore, sulfuric acid is also used in controlling the pH value. How, you may ask? Sulfuric acid neutralizes the sodium bisulfate, which is the byproduct of chlorine dioxide generation. A strong pH is required to remove lignin and other colored substances. In addition, sulfuric acid is also used to maintain the pH value needed, as most of the phases in paper production require almost neutral pH value. In addition, sizing agents and coating are used in paper production to increase the resistance to penetration of water or other liquids such as ink into the paper, so that the paper is more suitable for printing, writing, and other purposes. So, we know that sizing agents and coating are very important in the paper making process, and sulfuric acid is used during the preparation of sizing solution and coating. In conclusion, as we have learned throughout this video, sulfuric acid plays an indispensable role in various industries, from chemistry and manufacturing to agriculture and even the production of everyday items like paper. Its versatility, strength and diverse applications make it a fundamental chemical in our modern world. So the next time you come across a product or process that you may not have realized depend on sulfuric acid, you'll have a deeper appreciation for this remarkable chemical.